Hello and welcome to this course GIS for Beginners. I am Dr. Alamayo Mideksa. In this course I'll teach you about Earth observation data, examples of satellite data. These are some of the currently operational satellites by NASA. For example, this is a global scale data from MODIS instrument, which can show us land surface temperature, daytime land surface temperature, monthly data over 2000 to 2015, the current year. So as you can see here, you can pretty much monitor the temperature, the land surface temperature of the planet, varying from season to season, month to month, and year to year. This is a very useful data source for monitoring various land surface processes, and it can be used even for modeling. Another data platform is the Vegetation Index, a MODIS VI product. Similarly, we can monitor the spatial and temporal patterns of the global vegetation cover. This is precipitation, rainfall data from the TRMM mission, which is did last year. As you can see here, most of the tropic is covered, by this data, and similarly, you can monitor both spatially as well as temporally over time, month to month as well as year to year variation of the climate. On the other side, some of the high resolution data. This is from Digital Globe World View. Bangkok, Thailand, as you can see here, is pretty high resolution, detecting the highways here and some of the buildings here. Another data source is the Timelapse, powered by Google, from 1984 to 2012 Landsat archive, which helps to monitor the state of the planet. This is Las Vegas, for example, and Dubai, using the time-lapse data. Another, data source is the Google Earth, data set, which helps us to kind of explore any part of the planet using pretty much high resolution, data set. For example, this is Paris, a 3D image of the Eiffel Tower in Paris. And this is an example in Grand Canyon 3D visualization of the Grand Canyon. Pretty much, powerful visualization tool.